These animals are so clever, they've tricked and outsmarted humans before. At number 1, crows. Researchers filmed them dropping nuts in front of cars at red lights, then waiting for them to be crushed and eating them after. They even recognize human faces and remember who's friendly and who isn't. At number 2, dolphins. They've been seen teaching each other how to use tools, like covering their snouts with sponges to protect themselves while hunting. Some even trick fishermen by stealing fish without being caught. At number 3, octopuses. They've escaped aquariums by sneaking through pipes, unscrewed jars from the inside to free themselves, and even stolen cameras from divers.